Hello, I'm Anthony. When I first started running, I made a lot of mistakes. I started off way too fast, way too soon, and it led to many injuries, and it led to me hitting the wall during most of my marathons. So I don't want you to make that same mistake that I did. So in this video, we're going to talk about a good way for you to start your running journey, and that is through the Maffetone Method. We're going to talk about what the Maffetone Method is, the benefits I've learned from Maffetone Method, and how you can easily calculate your MAF zone. Okay, so first off, what is Maffetone Method? Many times when I tell this to people, they give me this look, or this one, or just the blank stare. So I'm gonna try to easily explain this to you. To talk about the Maffetone Method, we gotta talk about Dr. Phil Maffetone. And he saw that many runners were getting injured all the time. So he wanted to figure out a way to help runners not get injured, and he wanted to kill that whole no pain, no gain lifestyle that many athletes have. So he calculated after many studies, thousands of runners he studied, he found a specific heart rate zone, which is very low, that people can run in, and it trains them to eventually run faster at a lower heart rate, which leads to less injuries, and you get to run faster without barely even feeling it. So that's Maffetone Method in a nutshell. Okay, next, what are the benefits I've learned from Maffetone Method? I've been doing Maffetone Method now for about 6 months, and one of the major benefits I learned from this is I found my joy of running through this method. So back before I started this, I would always go as fast as I can, like most runners, and I would feel dead at the end of my workouts. Well, ever since I started this, I finish a workout and I feel like I can go on way further, much longer, and I don't feel fatigued. I feel like I said, I can go much further. Yes, I'm going much slower, but I just feel better. I don't feel worn out. And also, a benefit from it is when you don't feel like going out for a run, you can just say, oh, you know what, I'm doing this at a slow heart rate. You don't dread going out for a run as much as you would if you're doing something with a high intensity. So that's just a couple of the benefits I've learned from doing this method. Okay, and lastly, how to easily calculate your MAF zone. So what does MAF stand for? M-A-F, maximum aerobic function. You start off with 180 and you minus your age. We'll use me as an example here. 180 minus 44, which equals 136. And then you have a few variables there. You could either plus or minus 5 or 10 depending on your fitness level, on the injuries you've had in the past year. And so you could get the book right here. Highly suggest it. And it has the exact numbers. But so my number, 136, and I've been injured this past year, so that's minus 5, which equals 131. And so 131 is my maximum aerobic function. And you only want to be within the zone of 10 below that. So 121 to 131. That is my MAF zone. I hope that makes sense. Like I said again, if you want to get deeper into the Maffetone Method, I highly suggest you getting this book. There will be a link in the description below. It is very easy to read, not too scientific-y, if that's a word, and it's very easy to understand. So I hope this kind of clarifies what the Maffetone Method is. I highly suggest you start this off in your running journey, or if you're a few years in like I was, take it on, see how you like it. Yes, you're going to start off much slower than you'd like to go, but you're going to feel so much better. And that is what the main part of running is. You want to feel good, have joy, not be going out there trying to kill yourself, getting injured, and just enjoy the process. So I hope that all made sense to you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll be glad to answer you from what I've learned so far from this. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it if you'd be part of the community. So thank you for watching. I am Anthony, one proud middle-aged amateur runner to another. Let's run for our best life together.